Hey guys, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different for my channel. I've been wanting to try out doing makeup tutorials, but I just didn't know how it would go over. But since we did reach 175 subscribers, which thank you guys so much, I love it. I'm so happy and so thankful for each and every one of you guys. So I figured for the 175 subscriber special, we would do a makeup tutorial for the first time on my channel. So let's get started. I am taking this ColourPop Baroque palette. I don't know if they even make this anymore. I'm taking the middle shade and I am sloppily applying that to my lid and in the crease area a little bit with a flat brush that is also from e.l.f. Then I'm just going to take a fluffier brush and kind of blend it out, but not too much because I don't really care. A little bit of blending. Doing the other thing on the same eye. I've been really liking this palette. I actually just switched it out for my makeup bag because I feel like I've been using it so often. It's just really good. I hope they still make it because I definitely recommend it. So we're just blending a little bit. Now I'm taking this little Clinique mini mascara and I'm just going to add some to my top lashes. I don't always add it to the bottom, and this time I didn't, just because, I don't know, sometimes I feel like it gets smashed into my concealer, which I don't like. Now I'm taking my Kiss lash adhesive and my little lashes that I cut in half because I only like them on the outer edges, and I like to apply them with tweezers because it's just easier and faster. And by the way, this is the best lash glue. I definitely recommend. So we're going to apply those with the tweezer super quick. When you cut your lashes in half, literally it takes 2 seconds. If I was applying a full strip lash, I would be sitting here for like 5 minutes per eye, and it's really annoying to get the inner corners to stick for me, so I do this every day. And now I'm putting that away. I keep my stuff in a little Altoid container. We are taking Glossier's Future Dew, just one pump, and I'm gonna put that on everywhere. I already did my skincare and stuff, but you know, it's winter, so we need that. I'm taking the Revlon Illuminance Foundation in number 117. This has been my absolute favorite. It has really light coverage, but you know, we're going for a semi-natural, easy look today. I'm just gonna dot that all over my face equally because I like everything to be equal. And we are going to blend that out with a Sigma F82 angle top kabuki brush, which I've literally had for like, this sounds really bad, literally had for like 10 years, but they're really good. So if that says anything about the quality, then I definitely recommend Sigma. For face brushes. For eye brushes, I feel like you can get away with using whatever, even your fingers sometimes. So we're just blending. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. sponge and just go over the top of everything and kind of clean up the edges of the eyeshadow. I'm taking this Neutrogena color correcting concealer. Oh my god, I can't talk today. And I am just blending that out with my fingers. And then I'm going to take another concealer and go over the top of that too. But honestly, sometimes I just stick with this because the bags are there no matter what. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Newish concealer in number 3. And you need like none of this because it's kind of thick and it's like really pigmented. I don't love it for under the eyes. Obviously I used it, but it's really good for spot concealing. Just take your time and blending out those with my finger, and then I go back to the sponge. I always like to get around my nose. I tend to be red there, so yeah. I hope you guys like this. It was actually pretty fun to record makeup tutorial, and I do like to do different makeup looks, so let me know. If you hate it, if you like it, I want to hear. Just finishing up blending. It gets better before. It gets worse before it gets better. Wow. Sorry, guys. Probably should have fixed my hair. Taking this Milk Bionic bronzer in what color, I don't know. And I like to apply that to my forehead, my cheeks, and my nose. This is my absolute favorite bronzer. It just doesn't pick up on any dryness, and it's very subtle, which I like. I'm just adding more until I feel happy with that, and we're going to move on to the cheeks. I'm using that angled kabuki brush again to do this part. I use this for blush too. I didn't put on any blush today, but yeah. And here I am showing you that the tube is broken, which I don't love, so I'm trying to use it up before it goes bad. And we're just continuing on the cheeks until I'm happy with the color, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for 175 subscribers. Again, I love you all, and I'm so happy that you guys actually like my content, and hopefully we continue to grow together. And we're just gonna go over everything with the sponge to make sure we're all blended. And now we're taking Hollywood Flawless Filter in 1, applying it to the cheekbones, the tip of the nose, and the chin. And I'm taking my e.l.f. sponge and lightly blending that out. I like this because it gives like a nice dewy effect, but it's not like so sticky or anything, so it doesn't feel gross. And then the excess I do put on my forehead as well, which you will see. And I need a bit more. I don't know, is anyone else like this? One side of my face, I feel like I always need more bronzer and highlight. Like, it never looks the same. It's really annoying. And now I'm going over it with Revlon Skin Lights bronzer, going over the liquid bronzer on my forehead. And I do brush it over my nose a little bit and under my lip to kind of, you know, follow through the shadowing, I guess. I usually put it on my cheeks too, but I didn't feel like I needed it today. This is a Revlon liquid eyebrow pen, but I use it to enhance my beauty marks and make a couple of extra along the way. It's the perfect color. So I'll be really sad when this runs out. Now I'm taking a Wet n Wild lip liner, which is smashed, and just lining my lips. Patting it out too. I don't know if I edited that out, but yeah, lining our lips, and I think we are done after this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate you all. I love you all, and sending you hugs and good things for this new year, and I will see you in the next video.